Hello, everybody, and welcome back to OST 2037 Access 2013 tutorial. This is part 3, Enter, Sort, and Filter Data. Here's our steps, and we are going to create a form, sort data using a simple sort, filter records, sort data using an advanced filter sort, and copy a database table. Here is how we're going to go about creating a form. So we're going to start access, open a database file that we want to use, uh, open the table that we want to use to create the form in, click the create form button, and then do all these steps. Let's see if we can't go ahead and figure this out on our own using the first drill, number 1, create a form and enter data. So this one is telling us that we need to use ACC3 drill 1 data file, which you will have to download right here. So go ahead and download it, open it up. So it should be in your downloads folder. And remember to unzip it, you want to right click, extract all, and then you want to change the location back to, yeah, I have mine, remember, HCCOST 2357, and then you want to extract them, and then you will be good to go. Now we want to open it, and you will have to go browse to find your folder location. And then we want ACC3 drill 1. Remember, every time you're going to get the security warning, unless it's the file that you edited or created, and then just go ahead and open customers. Open customers table in datasheet view. We're in datasheet view. Yes, you can see how there's a gray box right there. Plus, in design view, remember you have all the field types. Okay, click the create tab right here, and click the form on the ribbon. So form. Close the customers table. Close. You may need to move the form window to see a table window, but we didn't need to do that because we were able to click it right there in the corner. Right click the border of the highlighted text box and drag to the left to resize it as shown in figure 3. Figure what? 3.2. Where's that? Over here? So it doesn't really tell us what size we want it to be, but let's say we only really need it maybe that big. So all of the records fit in there. So, right. Zip code, everything looks good. Click the right border, show up figure 3 view. Click view on the ribbon to switch to form view. View. Right now we're in layout view. Switch to form. So now you can't make changes, right? Click the new record button on the form to move to a new blank record. So remember, the first arrows go by 1. The outside arrows go to either first record or last record, and then the last one will take us to a new blank record. And then we're going to go and enter these 2 records. So we're starting with 19. Tab. Carla Soprano from The Sopranos. 1789. Full run. Root. Field, Illinois. 627117. And then I'm just tabbing again. Record 20. Mendez, Edge, Wild Street, Dayton, Ohio, and 454100102. Okay, return to record one. And how do we get to record one? Well, yeah, we can go one step at a time, or just hit the first record button. The address and the zip code for Ahmad Shadani have changed. Use the find to locate his record. Good search here. Does that work? Let's try it. And let's see if we can't find Ahmed. Ahmed. Oh, there we go. Record 6. So it says his address and zip changed. So he's no longer on Bellevue Crescent. He is on 286 Elm Street in probably still Chevy Chase, I guess. So 20815, that didn't change. Oops. But the last four changed to 20286. Close and save the form. Name the form Customers Form. All right, so we can close it. It says you want to save it, and we need to save it as Customers Form. Click OK. Open the Customers table to confirm that the changes appeared. Yes, so we want to see if we added 2 more records, right? So there they are. And then we changed Ahmed to Elm Street, and we changed the zip code. That all looks good. Again, you can look at the solutions file if you want to double check your work. Close the table and close the database. So close the table and close the database. All right, so now we're going to do filtering records. Again, this is how you do filtering records. There's filter, sort by ascending, descending. There's also custom sort, how to remove and apply filters. We are going to go ahead and do it ourselves. So again, you have to download the new file. In our downloads folder. This is drill 2 because we're on drill 2. Right click, extract, change the location. It's already there by default. And extract. And then we'll be able to open that. So we can go File, Open, and go Browse. And we want drill 2. And enable. Open the context table. Here's the table. Click in the city field for any record that has Chicago in the city field. Click the selection command on the ribbon and then click equals Chicago. Selection equals Chicago. So that filtered all the Chicago ones. So the selection field made everything that was equal to the box that, or the same as the box that you clicked, right? So that solves that problem. A subset of records in the table that have Chicago in the city field will appear, and that's what we have. Click on the Remove Filter command on the ribbon to remove the filter and display all records. So where's Remove Filter? Right there. Hover over it. Remove Filter. So now we have all of our records back. Use the selection command to display only records that have Evanston in the city field. So look, if we go find Evanston, again, go to selection, equals Evanston, And there's only 3 of them. Close the table. Do not save changes to the table, and close the database file. So that was all that was there for that step. Do not save changes, it says, and close the file. All right. So that was filtering. Now sorting records. So sort ascending, descending, right? You can also do it in the what do you call it? Design view of the table in the field properties. So we can do it down there. Copy a database table. That's how to copy and paste the database table. We're going to try to do this on our own. So let's see what we get. Again, download. Oh, we don't have to download that one because we already have 3, right? So we can just open that back up. File, drill 2. Oh no, it's drill 3. We don't have drill 3. Feel like it thought we did though. Maybe I downloaded it twice. Extract, change the location, extract, and then we have access 3, drill 3. Out of here, open, browse, access 3, drill 3, enable, employee. Use and practicing sorts. Okay, so how do we make a copy of this? Copy it, paste it. Um, click once on the employees table, select it, click the copy command on the home tab, click paste command on the home tab, which we did. Uh, employees sorted ID. Employees sorted IDs. That's our new table, the one we're going to play with. Back and make sure I didn't miss this step. Copy, paste. It said to make sure that structure and data, which it already was, right? So just wanted to make sure we didn't mess that up. Employees sorted. So it's just talking about which one of these to click. It told us to make sure we click in structure. All right. Click the employee ID field. Well, it actually says just in the first record, I guess. Click the descending command on the home tab. So descending here. So the highest one is first, down to the lowest one, 190. That's descending. Ascending obviously would be the lowest number up to the highest number. Close the table and save change. Close the table, save change. Make another copy of the employees table. Okay, so another copy, paste. This one is going to be called sorted by last name. Sorted last name. Again, structure and data. And how would we do this? Again, the same thing, right? We can click in here. Um, and it wants us to do ascending. So again, the first letter of the alphabet down to the last letter of the alphabet, right? So Johnson, We have nothing before Johnson and nothing after Wu. Now it changed this field, right? Because now instead of sorted by ID, it's now sorted by last name. So 190 is up here now instead of down at the bottom. Close and save. Close, save. All right. Now we're going to make another copy sorted by state. So employees, copy, paste, sorted by state. And state is here. And how are we sorting this one? Open the table, click the advanced filter option. Advanced. Um, click advanced filter sort. Advanced filter sort. In the design grid, click in the field box, the first column here. Click the down and click ascending. Oops. Oh, select state. And then click ascending. Click sort. Click down there. Click ascending. In the second column, select city. And then select ACE here. Next box. So we're going to first sort by state. So it's going to be alphabetical by state. And then within each state, the cities are going to be sorted also alphabetical. Click apply filter. Now we have all the states in alphabetical. IL comes before IN, before KY, before Ohio. And see inside Illinois, we have GKP, Indiana BF, LL, Lexington comes before Louisville, Cleveland, Dayton. So it's first sorted by state, then sorted by the city within those states. Close and save. Save. Yeah. And now it says make another copy. Employees sorted by name. Employees, copy, paste. Employees sorted by name. Okay. Open the table, use advanced filter sort again. This time we are going to the first last name. He's sending first name. Same as the city and the state, or whatever, state and city. Then apply the filter. And now we see Johnson and then Joel comes before Sally. And is there another one? There. Rhinoza Juan comes before Safe. And that is it for the applying filters, sorting. And that's it for lesson number 3. So again, you can check your solutions file to see if it matches up with what you did. And we will be back in the next video with lesson number 4. See you next time.